How to turn off message request on Instagram. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So open your Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then on your top right, you will see this 3-line menu bar. Simply tap on it. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down and you will see this option messages and story replies. Tap on message control. Then tap on this first option, your followers on Instagram. Then tap on don't receive requests. And yeah, you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.